Every enterprise RAG pipeline you build from scratch is already obsolete. Right now, thousands of data teams are duct taping vector databases, embedding models, and LLM endpoints together, building custom chunking logic, writing retrieval code, managing infrastructure that breaks at 2 a.m. And Databricks and Microsoft Fabric just made all of that unnecessary. Here's what happened. Databricks rolled out Mosaic AI Vector Search natively inside Unity Catalog. Microsoft Fabric launched its own AI integration layer with OneLake as the single data backbone. And when you combine these two platforms, you get something most teams haven't figured out yet: a fully managed, governed, enterprise-grade RAG architecture with zero custom plumbing. Let me break down exactly how this works. And stick around, because the part about automatic governance will change how you think about AI pipelines forever. Step 1. Your data already lives somewhere. Databricks Delta tables, Fabric lakehouses, OneLake shortcuts. The old approach? Export it, transform it, shove it into a standalone vector database. Pray nothing breaks. The new approach? Databricks Vector Search indexes your Delta tables directly. No data movement, no copies. Your embeddings stay in sync automatically through Delta Sync pipelines. Every time the source table updates, your vector index updates. Zero maintenance. But here's where it gets wild. Microsoft Fabric connects to these same Delta tables through OneLake. One copy of the data, one security model, one catalog. Unity Catalog governs everything: who can access what data, which embeddings are available, and what models can query them. Think about what this eliminates. No rogue vector databases floating around your organization. No shadow AI pipelines. No compliance nightmares. Lineage tracking shows exactly which documents informed which answers. Try getting that from a standalone Pinecone setup. Now here's the part most people miss entirely: the retrieval layer. Traditional RAG? You write custom retrieval logic. You tune similarity thresholds. You handle re-ranking. You build fallback strategies. With Databricks Mosaic AI Agent Framework, you define your retrieval chain declaratively. Point it at your vector search index. Attach a foundation model. Could be DBRX, could be GPT-4 through Azure OpenAI, could be Llama. The framework handles retrieval, context stuffing, and response generation. And Fabric's AI skills? They sit on top of this, letting business users query this entire system through natural language inside Power BI and Excel. No code, no API calls. Just answers backed by governed, up-to-date enterprise data. Now let me tell you why standalone RAG is actually dangerous for enterprises. Security. When you build RAG yourself, you own the auth layer. You own the data filtering. You own row-level and column-level access. One mistake, and sensitive data leaks into LLM responses. Unity Catalog enforces these permissions automatically. The vector search index inherits table-level ACLs. The model endpoint respects them. No extra code. Cost. Standalone vector databases charge per query, per storage, per index. At enterprise scale, that's millions of dollars annually. Databricks Vector Search runs inside your existing compute. Fabric processes through your existing capacity units. You're already paying for this infrastructure. Freshness. This is the silent killer. Most standalone RAG deployments serve stale data because the sync pipeline failed, or nobody built one. Delta Sync eliminates this entirely. Your retrieval layer always reflects the latest state of your source data. No more apologizing to the CEO because the chatbot cited last quarter's numbers. Here's the architecture in 30 seconds. Source data lands in Delta tables on OneLake. Databricks Vector Search creates and maintains embedding indexes automatically. Unity Catalog governs access across every layer. Mosaic AI Agent Framework chains retrieval and generation. Fabric AI skills expose everything to end users. One platform, one governance model, one source of truth. The teams winning right now aren't building RAG from scratch. They're assembling it from managed components that already talk to each other. They ship in days, not months. They sleep at night because governance is built in, not bolted on. Stop building standalone RAG. Start building on the platform that already solved the hard parts. Thank you.